So clay soil is quite, as you imagine clay, it's quite claggy, quite clumpy. It holds together, it's slide and slippery and smooth. When you squeeze it together, it kind of sticks and it doesn't have a lot of air between it. It's not very aerated and it's clumpy and meh. It can hold nutrients. They do hold nutrients, clay soils. Very fairly fertile. Clay soil doesn't drain very well. When it dries out, it dries hard. So it creates a pan on top of the surface, which is like a real compacted top to it. And then it will crack when it's dry. So it dries out really hard and there's cracks. When it rains, it turns to mud really quickly. To say it's not very free draining, so it won't drain through, but when it does dry out, it does dry out hard. So it's not very workable, shall we say. Not a very workable soil. Not the best. So a really good way of conditioning this soil up would be, you want to dig in plenty of coarse grit, horticultural grit, organic matter as well, like as we said, homemade compost, or any kind of compost really, leaf mould, rotted manure, anything like that. And the grit and that mixed together will open up the structure of the soil, improve the nutrients and how much the nutrients it can hold, and will improve drainage as well. So it's all going to go towards improving the whole structure and how the soil acts.